So now that we've talked about the 802.11 physical layer, why don't we take a look at some transmissions in the 5 gigahertz band? Let's take a look. So in this demonstration, I'm going to use the Cisco Expert tool. And the Cisco Expert tool is a spectrum analyzer that's used by Cisco to look at interference and signals that's happening in the Wi-Fi spectrum bands. And you would use this tool if you're doing a site survey. Now, up here, I have some spectrum plots going on, and this is the 5 gigahertz band. And over here again the 5 gigahertz band, and the plots below it are the 2.4 gigahertz bands. And the first thing to notice, as we've talked about before, is there's a lot more going on in the 2.4 gigahertz band. And over here you can see this is a spectrum sweep that's showing again what's going on, and you can see I've got an Xbox actively here transmitting in that band, as well as my Wi-Fi network operating in that band. And again up here in the 5 gigahertz band it's relatively clear. I've got an access point up there, I've got a video playing at the moment, so there's some traffic going on there. Here you can see the traffic is in the channel called 36. There it goes, there's my video going. And here down here you can see I'm operating on channel 1 and channel 11, but you're also seeing interference right across the band. Now if I come over here and take a look at the channel summary on this tool, you can see here my Wi-Fi access points. Here's one on the 5 gigahertz band in channel 36. Here's one on channel 11 and one on channel 1. In fact, this one happens to be the same access point. It's a dual mode. This is a single mode access point that I've got operating here. This tool is also quite useful for detecting other wireless devices. Come over here. You can see it's detected my Xbox device going on, creating a lot of noise and interference in the band. And that is not using Wi-Fi, it's using a proprietary technology that operates in the 2.4 gigahertz band. So again, the main thing you should be getting from this demo is just visibility into the 5 gigahertz band. Here is just the Uni 1 and the Uni 2 bands that I've got here being displayed. Very little noise in the spectrum. If I take this plot here and just change it onto a different band, let's take a look at the Uni 2 extended band. There we go. Change this one as well over to the Uni 2 extended band. You'll see there's very little interference and noise going on there. So very clean, very good environment to deploy 802.11n and be able to get to 40 megahertz channels. And if I was deploying in an outdoor environment, I could look at this spectrum here as well, which is the Uni 3 band. And again, you can see this spectrum is very, very clear where I'm currently located in comparison with my 2.4 gigahertz band, which is looking very busy and very cluttered. And again, I've got lots of spectrum where I can deploy a 40 megahertz channel.